10 diwrnod diddorol. Mynediad. Taith Diwrnod 3. Day 3 Navigation. Heddiw, dych chi'n mynd I dref ffynnon. Today, you're visiting Holywell. Day 3 is spent in Greenfield Valley Heritage Park on the edge of Holywell. There are 2 properties to visit, St Winifred's Well and Basingwork Abbey. Ffynnon Gwen Frewi ac Abati Dinas Basing yn Gymraeg. Maes parcio CH8 7GH. The best place to park is the free car park off the A548. CH8 7GH. You will be in a country park for most of the day, so will need appropriate footwear. Parc tref Taith Dyffryn Maes Glas. The theme for day 3 is pilgrimage, Diwrnod yn Gymraeg. Walk up from the car park to the entrance of the Heritage Park and turn right at the junction of the paths. By the visitor centre, just beyond Basingwork Abbey, there is a display about the North Wales Pilgrim's Way. There is a task to complete here that gives context for the day. Llinell amser y dyffryn. Find yourself somewhere to sit and have a look at the timeline of the valley. Once you've looked at the timeline, there's an activity to complete before you set out to explore the site. Yr hen rheilffordd. Walk back towards the junction and walk up onto the old railway line to St Winifred's Well. This is a walk of about a mile uphill on a tarmac path. There is a task to complete about how the coming of the railway changed North Wales. When you need to, have a rest. There are places just off the path where you can sit. Ewch at ffynnon Santes Gwen Frewi. Near the top of the hill, follow the signpost off the railway line and head towards the road, turning left when you reach it, and continue up the hill to arrive at the well. Ffynnon Santes Gwen Frewi. At the well, there are 2 different tasks to complete and a small museum to visit. You will need to pay to enter the site, which is managed by the Catholic Church on behalf of Cadw. The guardians of the site asked for respect for the religious significance of the site, so please check with them about the use of electronic devices on the site. Amser cinio, canol y dref. You're nearly at the top of the hill. You can continue up to the centre of Holywell itself if you need to find somewhere to get food for lunch. While you stop for lunch, there is a task to complete using a story from the Mabinogi. Yn ôl I barc tref Taith Dyffryn Maes Glas. Head down the hill back into the Heritage Park. Instead of following the old railway track back down the hill, you're staying close to the river and will cross it several times. Follow the map to help you. You are generally heading downhill back towards your car. On your way, you will find Melyn Maes Glas, Greenfield Mill, Melyn y Ddôl, Meadow Mill, Y Felin Gotwm Isaf, Lower Cotton Mill, Melyn Wifrair Abati, Abbey Wire Mill, There is a task to complete while you walk through these sites about the industrial heritage of the area. You can watch the video or look at the interpretation panels to help you. Abati Dinas Basing. When you arrive back at the bottom of the hill, there is a heritage centre, which you might want to come back and visit on another day. Basing Workhouse and the Abbey very close to each other. Next, you need to head into the Abbey site where there are 3 different tasks for you to complete. To Basing Work. Basing Workhouse is the best place to sit and write your postcard. Amser mynd adre a gwneud eich gwaith cartref. Head back towards the car park where you started your day. When you arrive home, complete the final quiz to see how your Welsh has improved and the feedback form about the day. When you have recovered from the day, there is a more open activity for you to do. This activity asks you to use what you've learnt during the day, and you can ask your class tutor to check your work. Llinell amser. All of the different activities have given you an important date. These can now be added to your timeline. Complete all 10 days at the different places to complete your timeline of Welsh history.